Welcome everybody to Carol's Art Room, where all the blooms happened. I'm back to do some blooms. Well, at least one anyways. This one is going to be black and silver and gold. Put some white Glidden paint down. My favorite base paint is Glidden Premium, and I mix my paints with Behr 8300. I still have an older can. My recipes are in the description under the video. Along with some discount codes to the Sheleeart course, 15% off. Okay. So I have enough. Let's just put a little bit more down. If you're new here, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you hit that bell, you'll be notified and you'll be getting my videos. When I do a new one, you'll be notified. Comment below, let me know what you think. All right. So let's try... I'm going to alternate these colors a bit. So this is silver. There's a few different silvers mixed together. And Modern Master silver, Meaden, metallic Meaden paint. This one is 24 karat gold by Deco This is blue green by Pivio. Not blue green, sorry, blue black. Oh, I should have put that one on the bottom. But I'm gonna make these, do these colors again. I think I'll just do the black once. Let's see if this works okay. So I'm going to use black cell activator. All right, let's see what we get. My mini blower. Just blow the cell activator over top of the colors. Wow, let's see what we get here. Sure is different. Well, I'll let the middle gets smaller. Oh, it's a lot of gray, but let's just spin her out. That gold is going to really sparkle. Push it this way a little bit. You gotta be careful with these silicone mats. The paint tends to slide. I like it. I think it's going to be really shiny when it's dry. Okay, let's see if it's moving at all. It's barely moving, so I'm good. I'll let this one go. I hope you like this color combination. Give it a try. See what you come up with. It's a little bit different. A little nice, pretty. I like it. I like it. I like it. All right. Have a great day, and I'll put the dry result for this at the end of the video. Have a good one. Hi, everyone. Well, here's the silver, gold, and black tiles. They really look awesome. And they will resin up and look beautiful when they're resined. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.